Forget the old side hustles that barely pay the bills. These are 5 side hustles that are actually making money in 2025. And yes, you can start them today. With AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney, you can create blog posts, ebooks, and social media content for businesses in record time. No writing skills? The AI does most of the heavy lifting. You just deliver the final product. Sites like Printify and Redbubble let you design and sell t-shirts, mugs, and posters without touching inventory. You upload your design, they handle printing, shipping, and payments. Everyone wants TikToks and Reels, but not everyone can edit them well. If you learn quick editing with CapCut or Premiere Rush, you can charge $20, $50 per short video. Whether it's math, fitness, or business skills, people will pay for one-on-one guidance on Zoom. You just need expertise in one subject and a good internet connection. Ebooks, templates, Notion planners, Lightroom presets, create it once, sell it forever. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy make it easy to start. These side hustles are in demand right now, and they can easily turn into full-time income if you stay consistent. Which one would you start first? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips.